Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Zelle transaction history in the Chase app so you can review past payments you've sent or received. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Pay and Transfer or Move Money from the home screen. Next, select Zelle or Chase QuickPay. This will take you to the Zelle section where you manage your payments. From here, look for an option that says Activity, History, or Transactions. Tap on it and you'll see a list of your Zelle payments, including money you've sent, received, or scheduled. You can tap on any transaction to view more details, such as the amount, date, recipient or sender, and the payment status. If you're using Chase on a web browser instead of the app, you can find the same information by signing in, going to Pay and Transfer, selecting Zelle, and viewing your activity there. If you don't see older transactions right away, try scrolling down or adjusting the date range if that option is available. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you find your Zelle transaction history in Chase, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.